In this video, I will show you how to delete your SQL database from cpanel. As databases of deleted sites or application increases the storage space in hosting account. So let's start the video. Once you log into your cpanel account, you will be taken to the cpanel settings page. Here, you need to enter the SQL database section under databases. You will be able to see all the database associated with your WordPress sites or any other CMS-based website in the cpanel. To delete a database, click this delete link. And again, you will need to confirm the deletion, as once deleted you won't get it back. And done deleting the SQL database in cpanel. It's always good to have a backup of the database stored for any future need. With this we come to the end of this video. Please like and comment on the video if it was helpful, and do subscribe to my channel to get future video updates.